Okay, let's do the foundation double crochet together. So we're going to start by chaining 2, then yarn over. You go through these 2 loops, pull through, then you're going to chain 1, and this is going to be your chain. Then you do your double crochet, so it's basically pull through 2 and pull through 2 like you do. So let's do this again. That you have your first double crochet here, you yarn over, go through both loops here at the end. So that's the base of your double crochet you just made. Yarn over, pull through, and you're gonna make your base again. So chain 1, and then you finish your double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Here you have 2 double crochet. So basically this replaces your chain, and then your foundation chain, and then your double crochets. You do it once. So yarn over again. So you continue until the number of double crochet that you need. So go through the base, you chain 1 again. That's your base. That would be your foundation chain that you usually do. Then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then you repeat. Make your chain, so go through there, make your chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull. So once you get the hang of it, it's pretty simple. You just do the number that you need. And this technique is applicable for any other stitch. So you can make your single crochet, your half double, any of them the same way. So here it is. And you continue. So just do the amount that you need for the pattern you're working on. And that's it. Here you go.